Hey, Gen X guy here. Emergency crypto video alert. Oh boy, has it been what a heck of a ride we've had today in crypto. Hey, it's part of the ride, ladies and gentlemen. What can I say? I've been in this space for 5 years. I've seen it all. This stuff doesn't faze me. It just doesn't. I've seen swings this big and bigger. I've seen altcoins take haircuts 50% plus in minutes. I get it. I understand. I know the feeling. It gives you that, puke feeling. I know. But what I'm here to tell you today is it's all part of the game. It is. It's just part of the game. For whatever reason, Trump comes out and he's talking about 100% tariffs with China, and him and his tariff spats, whatever. If you agree or disagree, whatever. It is what it is. And he's just playing hardball with them. I get it. We've been pushed around by these other countries for decades, and he's just putting up a stand. And I get that. Understand. And this is what happens when you get yourself in these situations. You stand up for yourself. It affects the markets. I think the timing is interesting. It's on a Friday afternoon, evening, and so to kind of let it happen over the weekend and everybody calm down. But I've seen it all in these past 5 years of crypto, and it's just part of the game. And none of it phases me anymore. I've seen big drops and I've seen huge gains, and you just take it in stride. But at the end of the day, crypto's not going anywhere. It is here to stay. And for all you bears out there, all you it's a scam and all this, you wait and see. It's just like the internet. I mean, it's just a new tech. It's the part of the deal. It's volatile because it's so small. Because it's so small, it's such a small market. I mean, you're talking it was 4.2 trillion now. I haven't even looked. It's probably less than 3.5 trillion now, and it seems like nanoseconds. But it just uh, you just have to just roll with it, and go out, touch grass, just chill. It'll all be okay. And it's funny because I had a buddy of mine text me. He's like, "Have you seen the crypto market?" And I'm like, "Oh yeah." And I sent him a meme back of Jim Carrey, like what the going through the puke, like he's gonna puke. And I said it just doesn't face me anymore. I've seen it. And he's like, yeah, but this is. He made a comment about how this is what keeps people away. Well, yeah, the weak ones away, but they'll eventually come around as the space matures, and they'll come in. They'll Once it keeps going, they'll finally give in, and they'll come in, and I'll have already been here. And those that are tuning in, and you get the big picture, you're already here, and you're going to be you'll get you'll be on the good side of the receiving end of the riches on the back side of it. But anytime you're in a new tech stuff like this, it's the way it goes. It's part of it, but it's all right. We'll get through it. Yeah, in the past 2 hours, I've seen my portfolio literally just. I was like, oh my gosh! I mean, and I've seen it before, and it still stings. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not. It doesn't sound like it doesn't phase me at all. I mean, it does a little bit, but I'm used to it. Back in the early days, I was in panic mode when something like this happens, but I'm used to it now. So, but yeah, I mean, this will pass, and people will realize that I was a little overreacting. And then, so what do? You go buy. It's a great time to enter. When there's blood in the streets, you go in and you clean it up and you get the goods. And then when it goes back up, you're the one smiling in the end. And then when it does go up, you get to take your profits. You take your profits and sell when things are going, when it's euphoric, right? And then when it's like this, you go in and you buy. So it's the name of the game. And yeah, I get it. I mean, it's tough to see your altcoins get a 50% haircut in like 3 nanoseconds. I get that. It's painful, but hey, it is what it is. But we'll get through this weekend. I've already started. It's already recovered. I mean, my portfolio has just bounced down and up. I mean, it's bouncing hard right now. The market's trying to decide whether it's coming or going. Crypto market, that is. But Trump, I guess the good news is, if there's any, is he did it over late on a Friday, so it gives us a couple days to chill a little bit, and then that way Monday hopefully won't be as bad. But everybody's been saying, "Oh, I told you so. I told you so. The market's overheated." Yeah, well, that in April, and then the time before that. I mean, there's just too much money out there to keep it down. And what are you going? What are people going to do? Trade into dollars for what? It's garbage. I mean, at the end of the day, you're better off in those assets. So it'll come running right back to them. I guarantee it. Gold's holding up well. Silver's holding up well. Bitcoin got wicked down to 108. I saw that. Wow. I mean, that's just a huge wick down. That's a lot of market selling going on right now, but it's bounced back up. So it's being sucked up pretty hard, because the true believers that know, the ones that know that Bitcoin's not going anywhere, they know the deal. So, but anyway, keep your head up high. I just want to do this emergency crypto video, and everybody's panicking, and I'm getting text messages. Hey, Gen X guy, what's going on, man? Crypto's falling apart. Yeah, right this minute. But yeah, I've been here before, again and again and again, and we'll get through it just like we do every single time, and we'll come out on the other side of it stronger. And it's a good opportunity. Buy, buy, buy. Now's a good time. Find the bottom, find the dip, and buy. So anyway, you guys have a good evening, and we'll talk to you soon. Gen X guy out. See you. Bye.